Today we're going to be going over a preventative maintenance roof inspection.
Dan, could you tell me a little bit about the importance of preventative maintenance?
Yes, the importance of preventative maintenance is to find small problems before they become big ones, such as holes, damage from contractors, wildlife, or storms.
And what is the major importance of having a professional do your preventative maintenance inspections?
A professional roofing inspector will have an eye for the details that a regular maintenance individual might not have. Well, the number one leading cause of death in the construction industry are falls. To avoid the liability, you should have a professional roofing inspector inspect your roof. Doing it yourself can be dangerous. Number one is drainage. What we're looking at for drainage is your scuppers, drains, downspouts, making sure they're free of debris and letting the water flow off of your roof. We recently reflashed this drain as the flashing was pulling loose on the inside here. Number two is roof terminations. We're going to be looking at how the roof terminates to your wall, units, or any other roof termination points. Here we can see that the caulking here on the brick joint is good and that the flashing is secure, allowing the rubber to do its job and keep water out of your building. Number three is roof penetrations. What we're looking at are any curbs or anything that penetrate the roof. How it's flashed, the details, and making sure that everything is secure. HVAC units like this typically have a base plate and a slip sheet. Without the slip sheet, your roof could become damaged. Number four is flashing details. What we're going to be looking for flashing details are the T-joints and the laps of the rubber and your upright flashing. Making sure these are tight is important. As the roof ages, it will start to shrink, and what will happen is it'll start bridging away from the roof terminations. Here we have an area that's bridging loose, but the base tie-in is still solid. I would recommend cutting this open and re-securing it, flashing over top to extend the life of this roof.
So Dan, what repairs were we able to make on this roof section?
Okay, today we overlaid a patch that was deteriorating and peeling up. We also overlaid a scupper and we caulked some flashing details.
And how would you rate the overall condition of this section?
The overall condition depends on a lot of factors: weather, animals, damage from slate falling off of the upper roof. But overall, this roof is good, and with proper biannual maintenance, we can extend the life of your investment